Let's talk about these young Republicans' racist text messages and also black voting rights being taken down by the Supreme Court, especially in Louisiana. These things go hand in hand. Funny how people like to deny institutional or systematic racism, but when you point out the obvious and you have the actual and the factual in 2025, I didn't say 1925, 35, 45, 55, 65, even though that's when it went into the act of 60 years ago. When you have a racist agenda, they don't hide. They don't hide. There's no cloth, no mask, no, they come in ablazed in three-piece suits and grins and smiles on their faces. So young Republicans got caught in their text messages using the N-word and all kinds of derogatory remarks. That's not a surprise. The whole MAGA crew is just Jim Crowism's offspring. I'm always been told by some people that, the new generation don't think like that. They the hip hop generation, they Generation Z, K, TP, all the terms you want to call it. Hey, look, if there's money and there's power and there's a way to deny, ain't nothing changed. Ain't nothing changed. And so when they got busted for their leaked racist tweets, they don't really have no empathy, you know. You still got people walking around in blackface. You still got people saying offensive things and being brazen about it. You got a so-called president who has been trying to take down anything black accomplished and trying to downplay it. And he has a lily white Congress. He has token black entertainers, athletes, and people who will smile and kiss the ring. However, it's the same old plantation mindset. Ain't nothing changed. He's going by the old playbook. It's no different than what you've seen before. And as far as the black vote goes, well, they want to limit black candidates in Congress and legislation. They really, unless you a token that they can go find and prop up, they really don't want you to be another Jasmine Crockett. They really don't want a John Lewis. They really don't want people to emerge. They don't forbid another Obama. Trump has nightmares about Obama, has to do that black job. It has to just make his poor orange wig just twirl and whirl, that he had to come behind him. So, no, they don't want that. And it's, like I said before, people always say, well, how could you fix it? And I said, we learn how to share. That's the problem with America, which they're trying to set an example. They don't share their world. When you hear people come out